All right, guys. Yeah, I just caught two nice bluegills. Might have found a spot of them. Let's keep it going. Stay tuned.
I know where they're at.
Golly, get him!
Oh my God, shell cracker.
Big shell cracker.
Ain't that big, buddy.
Oh, it's a keep. That's a dude. That's a keep all day.
Nothing.
Oh, that's a nice keep. Number 3.
I knew it was a matter of time.
Golly.
They didn't worm.
Yeah, stack them in. Nice one.
That's a
Show
good
it.
eating size.
Go up a little bit. Perfect. Beautiful fish. Okay, look, number 3. Good job. Let's keep it going.
Shoot. Holy cow, look at this.
Behemoth. Behemoth.
Look at the size of that one. I want to net him. Look at the size of that one.
Right here.
Little bluegill.
God, it's a giant. That's a big.
Thanks.
God, that's a monster.
Oh my God. Look at him.
God, that's a peepee. That's a giant.
Short.
Oh, I got one too.
Oh my God.
I got one too. We got a big one
Damn
too.
day.
Look at the side. Show that one off. God. God.
A bull.
That's a bull. Oh, I got a giant too. I got a big one too.
The same one.
I got a big one too.
Yeah, that's a nice.
God.
That's a shell cracker.
Ooh, big.
It's a big old shell cracker.
Yeah.
Slime. Don't lose him. Oh my God, look at that female.
Belly hook.
Female shell cracker.
Oh, big. Come here. Golly. God. Oh my goodness.
Just put him on the camera.
God, that's a fat. Look how it's full of eggs, I think.
Yeah, that's a female.
Na-na-na-na-na-na.
Let him breathe.
Yes. Awesome. Beast mode. Okay. This spot right here. That's number 5. Golly, look at the size of this brim. Golly, that's a PB bluegill. Look at that size of that beast. Look at the size of that one. That's a beast. Beautiful fish. Okay. All right. Let's keep it going. Oh my God.
Got some horses in there.
Golly. Get him, Junior. Get him, Junior. Big one, dude. Big one.
Get away now.
Oh, that's like a keep. That's a nice one.
Oh, nice brim. Look at him.
Nice big brim, dude. Jeez. Yes. Oh, let me go over there.
Yeah, they're about 10 foot away from the bank.
Golly. I lost count.
It's the same worm.
All right. Let's keep it going right here in the spot. First spot of the day.
The whole time. You didn't even know it.
Jeez.
Big.
God. Get him, Junior. Oh, that's a big shell cracker. Nice and. Jeez. Big. Golly, Dad.
Gonna swallow sooner or later.
Oh no. Yeah, they do that.
Oh my God.
You swallow it, swallow it, swallow it. All right, stay tuned, guys. Show it off real quick. Beautiful fish, Dad. Nice. Golly, I lost count.
Good eat.
God. So I might have one right here. Let's see. Keep it going. This. Are you serious? God.
A brim.
Got another keeper. Nice, Dad. He's on fire today. He's tearing me up. Let me go over there. Uh-oh. Show that. Show him real quick.
Oh, that's
Nice. That's a nice blue.
size.
He flipped out. He flipped out. It's okay. God. God.
They already know.
He's bass fishing.
Yeah,
golly, baby. Show my papucho. This titty sock over here.
That's a male.
That's a male.
Oh, that's one of them.
Golly. Let's go, let's go. Golly, they don't want mine. Yeah. Finally. Biggin. Let's see. There it is. Coming to me. Big fish.
Oh my God.
Oh, big shell cracker. Big shell smacky.
Beautiful. You swallow it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you let him swallow.
Ah. Man, he swallowed it. No. Stay tuned. Ripped it out. Another fish. I think that's number 10. All right. Stay tuned.